What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Today on the GROM, we're going to be installing the first of many mods. I recently just picked up an exhaust for it. So I went with the Yoshimura R2, I think it is. I went with that just because the one I was gonna go with, it didn't, I don't know, it might have been too loud, so I just went with the Yoshi because I've heard it in person and it sounds pretty good. So let's unbox it. Alright, so got everything out of the package. So this is the muffler. It's the carbon fiber. Honestly, it looks amazing. It came with the little silencer that you put in there if you don't want to be too loud. And it comes with all the hardware that you need to mount it. And here's the header. And it actually came with the bung, so that's pretty good. And then I guess this would be like the mid pipe or the cat. So what we're gonna do is, it looks like there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bolts. So we're gonna take that off, and then actually first we'll give it a little cold start, just so you guys can hear what a stock sewing machine sounds like. So obviously, this is why everybody changes the exhaust. How it sounds, it's very quiet, and it sounds like a sewing machine. So, enough of that. Let's get into the fun stuff. Alright, so the first header bolts, they are going to be a 12mm. So, we're just going to go to town. You don't want to take it all the way off. All I'm basically doing is just leaving a couple threads on there, as you can tell. Just leaving a couple threads, and then I'm gonna get this one, and then there's one over here and on the opposite side. And always wear gloves, because when you touch this, it's gonna leave fingerprints. So what you want to do, make sure you always wear gloves. So I'm gonna take this off, and then we're gonna start installing. All right, and here's the little tip. So I have these two middle ones taken off right now. So as you can tell, it's pretty loose. So I'm basically just gonna take these off, and then the exhaust will come down. Alright, and there you have it. The stock exhaust is off. As you can tell, the difference. It's gonna look so much nicer. It doesn't look like, yeah, it only had about, I think, 53 miles on this now. Let me check. Yeah. So I've been driving it, you know, when it's actually nice out. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set all this up with the springs and everything. So I'm just gonna install it in one shot. Alright, so we're all done with it. It's torqued down to spec. These are at 20. The bung just hand tight. All the clips, the springs are on. Everything's good. Everything's not moving, so let's give her a start. And this is without the silencer or the dB killer. Oh. Alright, so I let the bike warm up and everything. And honestly, I love how it sounds. I did notice that my license plate bracket, it vibrates when I rev it. But I need to get like double-sided tape to finish that all up. But honestly, I love this exhaust. Love it. Well, hopefully you guys liked this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a good one.